So hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Manshri. I make videos about fashion, styling, haul videos and all of that. And today's video, as you guys can see from my title, is going to be about how you guys can get scouted by modeling agencies. So yeah, without wasting further time, let's get into it. So before we begin, I would like to tell you all a bit about myself. So I'm 20 years old. I live in Vadodara city of Gujarat. My height is 5'3" to be precise, and my vital goes on like 32, 24, 32. And I started doing modeling when I was like 16-year old, and with the span of 4 years I have got like assigned by agencies name like Blunt Creatives, and right now I'm currently assigned with agency named Mizora Talent. I also got a casting call from Inega modeling agency and also Fitcast, which are like a very well-known modeling agencies right now in India. And one international agency goes by Milk Model Management. I got shortlisted for Milk Model Management as well. So yeah, this video is going to be a very informative video, so I want you guys to watch it till the end, because otherwise it's gonna be like you will be left with a half knowledge and you'll be end up doing a lot of mistake as a model, that I suggest you to not do it in case of when you're sending your entries to the modeling agency. When you send your entry to a modeling agency, this is the first time that you are there to make an impression on a person who does not know you at all, and your the way you represent yourself to them for the first time matters a lot. So yeah, stick with me till the end of this video. So I'm going to divide this entire video in 3 parts. In the first half, I'm going to tell you how to send your entries, which is the major and most important part. Second part, I'm going to tell you about the pros and cons and what are the things you should keep in mind when you're sending your entry to a modeling agency. And third, last but not the least, I'm going to cover the portion what are the fraud situation in market right now related to modeling agency. So yeah, this entire video gonna consist of these 3 portions. So yeah, let's begin. So the first thing that we are going to talk about is how to send your entries. It's the major and most important part. So all the agency accept their applications through 2 modes. First is via email, and second, each and every modeling agency have their own website where they have a section called and goes by like become a model or apply, something like that. So just visit their website. There must be a section where you can contact them or send your application as a model or like a new face to them. So these are the 2 things that you can use to send your application. And there are third thing as well, which is via using hashtags. So yeah, since we all live in this world which is all about social media, so you can also use your social platform like Instagram. You can use the hashtag of the modeling agency, as each and every modeling agency have their own hashtags as well that they use to scout models via Instagram as well. When you're composing an email, what all you need to write is you write your name, you write your height. Do not be over smart and write false information. Be true to them. Do not lie about anything. So write your name, write your age. Again, be truthful to them. Give them the age that you belong to, which is on paper you have record of. Write about your vitals like your bust size, your waist size and your hip size. Measure your waist from the smallest section, the curve that you have. Measure your waist from that portion, and then your hip area. And for male, I would like to tell you that just measure your height and your chest area, your waist and the hips. I think that is all male need to mention. Then you write about your contact numbers, like give them your contact number and tell them where do you live. Okay, now that's all. You just have to write these things, the normal basic information about you. Next up, you then attach your pictures, your Polaroids along with those details, and in the subject area just write new face, and that's it. And also when you're attaching your pictures, do not give them a link of like your Google Drive or something like that. Do not make tough task for them. Things should be just right there in your email. So now we'll come to the major part how to click those pictures, so these pictures, I want you to get these pictures clicked in morning sunlight, because that is the time when the sunlight, the lighting is the best, and you're not getting the harsh sunlight on your face. And the lighting of the morning is the best lighting that you can ever get. So get your pictures clicked where you have natural light at its best, and click your pictures against a white plain wall, nothing crazy background, no like fancy background, just a simple plain white wall. And what you need to wear is, you need to wear a firm fitted clothes. Like, what you need to wear, something that shows your figure properly, like that just hugs your body properly. The ideal outfit for female would be wearing a black tank top, and make sure when you're wearing that tank top, your bra straps are not visible. Like, so send the picture in which like you're wearing a very firm fitted clothes, like a plain simple black strappy top with a high-waisted jeans, or maybe black shorts that is like very very well fitted to you. And please wear heels, ladies, please. Okay. And black heels, nothing crazy over there. Like, keep it simple as possible. For guys, I would tell you that wear nice plain sneakers, and just wear jeans, straight leg jeans, and a black t-shirt for like a round neck or maybe a v-neck, like whatever you want to wear. No printed clothes at all, and just the plain simple black outfit. Get it clicked in natural sunlight, and nothing too harsh coming on your face. Don't get your pictures clicked in a studio or with a studio light, and if possible, get it clicked professionally, like from a professional photographer who knows how to take pictures. And make sure your angles are at its best. I am going to show you some reference pictures, that this is how you need to click your pictures. Don't go crazy on your facial expression. Just keep it calm, composed, and casual. Most important thing, do not apply any makeup. Okay, just be bare and just apply Vaseline or like just a lip balm on your lips, and you can apply a bit of mascara. No eyeliner, no kajal, no foundation, no concealer, like nothing, just the bare face of yours. So yeah, do not do cheating, do not retouch your pictures. Like, these are the important things that you need to keep in your mind when you're clicking your Polaroids. So you need to click 4 pictures. First is your front face, like till here. Second is your both profiles, and third is one full length picture. And just attach these pictures with your entry and just send it to them. So that's it about clicking your pictures. Second of all, now we move on to the second part, where like pros and cons about being assigned to a modeling agency. Things seem really fascinating when you don't have them. That is true. And if you have like a lot of expectations from getting assigned from an agency, that oh my god, I'm gonna get assigned to a modeling agency and boom, my career gonna shine like anything. No, these are not the case, because modeling agency is there to get you really nice and great projects in your hand, and how to get that project is up to you. The cons of that is that when you're assigned to a modeling agency, even though when you're not getting a lot of work, you cannot freelance. Like, find out that you are working with different other brands, then they might file a case against you as you sign a contract with them. But then you don't need to be disheartened, because these are the people that gets you amazing projects in your hand, and they can actually help you to boom your career. Don't send your entry to a particular or like a single agency. Try to send them to a various agency. And now the comes to the part like how you can choose your agency, that because each and every like modeling agency have their different criteria and different things that they look for their model. And so there are like 13 different types of modeling that are there in the market. So I'm going to link down a video of a very well-known model whom I really look up to. His name is Fresh Pepper. He made a video regarding the types of modeling that are there in the market, and how you can know that which type of like model you are. You should definitely check that video, so that you can have a clear idea that which modeling agency like you should go for. And know your type and send your entry to the agency that would love to take someone like you. Two things that you need to keep in your mind, that when you're sending your entry to a modeling agency, you need to be prepared mentally that if they reply back to you, they might ask you to move back to the city where they are based. Like when I got call from Inega and Feedcast, this is where I went wrong. I sent my entry to Inega and Feedcast, and at that time I was in my third year of college and I was completing my degree. So I was about to finish my course in like just 3 months. I went to them, they liked me, and they were ready to sign a contract with me, and I was so happy about it. I didn't expect it. The girl like me who is just 5'3", who looks like that, and who definitely don't belong to the typical or stereo standard of India, but one of the very well-known modeling agencies like Inega and Feedcast were ready to sign me right away. And all I told them was like, my education is still not complete and I want to pursue my education first, and then maybe once I'm done with my third year, which is just going to get done in like 3 months, I'll move back to you in Mumbai. And they were like, okay, they will definitely wait for you. But then after 3 months, when I went back to the office, they couldn't recognize me, because at that time my hormone were like at its peak and my entire face got fucked up by acne. Like I had acne everywhere, like in this portion. That phase was like really, really terrible, and that is when like I lost the opportunity to get assigned by them. So when you're sending your entry to a modeling agency, make sure that if they reply to you during that course of like time, you are able to like shift or like move to the city that they are based in. Like even when you're like sending your entry to a modeling agency that is based in London or maybe New York, so if they reply to you, because it's possible, like anybody can get a reply from modeling agency if they like your profile, and this is the way, like the way I have told you in the beginning, this is how you send your entries. If you send the entry like that way to any modeling agency, and if they like you, they will definitely gonna call you back. And when they do, you should be in a position to move to the city where they ask you to shift immediately. And make sure when you're sending your entry to a modeling agency, you are at your best, like body wise, face wise. Last but not the least, very small topic that is going to be that what are the frauds that you need to be aware of. Yeah, when the modeling agency like you, they might ask you, they are definitely going to ask you to sign a contract with them. The contract can be of 1 year, 2 year, 3 years. My agency have a contract of 3 years with me. And when you sign that contract, you are bound to them. They are going to take few percentage of the earning that you make. A lot of people have this misconception that when you're assigned to a modeling agency, the agency pays you on a monthly basis, like you get a monthly salary. No, this is not the case. You only get to get the only way you get paid is when you do a project. So if you have done a project through your modeling agency, they take some percentage of that earning, like 20%, 30%, not more than that, like 35, something like that. Now, not more than that. And when the client have done the payment, you end up getting the payment once the client have done the payment. So your modeling agency, be very careful about all of these things. They don't try to loot you for no reason. And make sure that and also, like no modeling agency asks you for money when you're signing a contract with them. Your agency is there to make money through you, so they are never going to ask you for money. If someone asks you for all of these things, then of course it's a fraud. It's not for you. Do not get into these kind of things. These are very ugly, dirty things, and they are never going to get you successful at any cost or like in any way. So just be careful about all of these things. And yeah, this is very important. No modeling agency asks you for nudes. No, this is just not the thing. This is not the case. So if somebody is asking you for your nudes, it's definitely not a modeling agency. Like you should say fully no to people who ask you for your nudes, because no modeling agency will ever ask you for nudes and all of that. So yeah, that's it. I guess these are the things that you guys need to keep in your mind when you're sending your entry to a modeling agency. So yeah, that's it for my today's video. I hope it's been a very helpful video for all of you, and I've been able to give answers that you guys might be having when it comes down to how to send your entries to a modeling agency. These are the few things that I think that anybody keep in their mind when they're sending their entry, even nationally or internationally. These are like few standard things that each and every modeling agency follow, and you can crack the audition of any modeling agency if you just keep these things in your mind. And once you get a call from them, you just have to go to them, and then the further thing is just get it out the way they want you to carry out. So that is not a very big thing. The biggest thing is that how to make it to their office, and this is how you can exactly do it. So just go and send your entries to them, and if you get a reply, please let me know in the comment section that yeah, and I'll be so happy to hear that. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe my channel. If you're here till here listening to me, then yeah, I think I deserve that bell button that you go and just hit it so hard. Damn. So yeah, just subscribe to my channel, share this video so that it can reach out to a lot of people, and it can help a lot of aspiring models to send their entries to modeling agency, and they can get their career straight. And so yeah, just share my videos with everybody, and thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye, take care. I hope I'll see you guys in the next video as well.